Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the core. State your goal and who you're talking to because that drives every choice you make. Once done, gather assets, images, logos, charts, and organize them in folders so you won't hunt later. Then open PowerPoint, pick a template or blank slide, and set the aspect ratio to 16, 9, or 4:3. Make sure to save immediately and enable autosave if available. This prevents early data loss and keeps you focused on content. You now create the structure. Craft a simple outline, title, problem, solution, proof, call to action, and turn each point into one slide or a short cluster. As you add slides, use built-in layouts to keep alignment and spacing consistent, and limit bullets to 6-7 lines so viewers read, not skim. Once content is placed, insert charts with clear labels, add alt text for accessibility, and apply a consistent font and color scheme so the presentation reads as you finish. By rehearsing, run slideshow, speak aloud, and set timings for automatic playback if needed. Then proofread every slide, verify color contrast and accessibility tags, and compress images to reduce file size. Once satisfied, export to PDF for distribution or to MP4 if you need a video. Choose to embed fonts when sharing. Make sure to save a backup copy. If something breaks, like missing fonts, replace with a system font and re-export immediately to resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.